Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you. So how to fix problem on Samsung when Google Play apps won't download on Samsung. So actually first thing you could also just try, you just need to open battery and device care. After you just need to check the storage, just check free space because it could be caused actually by not much free space that left on your device, and you just need to free up memory to just download apps again. So after, you could also just try to open the apps. In the apps you just need to find Google Play services, and after you just need to try to go here to storage and just try to clear cache and clear data. So sometimes it also helps too. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.